Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade options in Etrade. First, ensure you have an approved Etrade account and have applied for options trading privileges. Etrade offers different options approval levels, so make sure your level matches the strategies you plan to use. You'll need to understand the basics of options contracts, including calls and puts, and how they function. Familiarize yourself with the Power Etrade platform, which provides robust tools for analysis and order entry. This foundational knowledge is crucial for successful options trading. To begin trading options, you must first apply for options trading approval within your Etrade account. Navigate to the Account section and look for Options Trading Application. You'll answer questions about your financial experience and risk tolerance. Etrade will then assign you an options trading level, such as level 1, 2, or 3, dictating the strategies you can employ. Ensure your account is adequately funded. Many strategies require a minimum balance, often several $1,000s, to cover margin requirements. Once approved, log into the Power Etrade platform to place your options trades. Search for the underlying stock symbol, then click on the Options Chain tab. Here, you'll see various strike prices and expiration dates for both call and put options. Select the specific contract you wish to trade, specifying whether you're buying or selling and the number of contracts. Always review your order details, including the premium, commissions, and total cost, before confirming and submitting your trade. Precision is key in options trading. After placing your options trade, actively monitor your open positions. Market conditions can change rapidly, impacting the value of your options. Track your positions and their profit or loss in the Portfolio section of Etrade. To close a position, simply place an opposing trade. For example, if you bought a call, you would sell that same call. This helps lock in profits or limit losses before expiration. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your car smelling fresh. Effective management is vital for options success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.